Hey designers, let's edit this in Photoshop. Before we jump into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started now. Open the image. Go to Adjustment Layers. Select Color Lookup. Change it from Load 3D to Moonlight. Close it now. Take the brush tool. Make sure black is selected as your foreground color. Take a soft brush. Now apply brush strokes to the area you want to glow. After that, go to File. Place Embedded. Select the picture. Place. Lower the opacity of this image for now to see the laptop. Now distort it. You need to make sure the top part of the image is parallel to the laptop. Okay. Now increase the opacity. Place it above the laptop. For now, turn off the eye of these two layers. Select the main image. With Quick Selection tool, select the areas that will show. Hands and laptop. Select this layer. Click on the mask icon by pressing Alt on your keyboard. Change its blending mode to screen. Duplicate this layer now. Go to Filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Make it 100%. Or let's just change it to 80. Change the blending mode to lighten. Let's place another image. Scale it down. Distort it a bit. Duplicate this layer. Go to Filter. Blur Gaussian blur. Radius 30. Change blending mode to lighten. Place another picture. Place. Scale it down. Distort it a bit. Duplicate this layer. Go to Filter. Blur Gaussian blur. Radius 30. Change blending mode to screen. Now I'll take this pink color. Take the brush tool. Make sure the brush is soft. Add few brush strokes here. Now take the light blue color. Take a new layer. Apply strokes here. Select both these layers. Lower their opacity. Change the blending mode to screen. Let's lower the opacity to 20%. Hope this video helps. If you have any confusion or if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.